Okay, anyways. Come on, a fire drill? What will they have next? A lock-in? Evacuation?
Sorry, viewers, yeah, another unexpected camera outbreak, so.
Now there's a fire drill. Are you kidding me? What is it, blink day? Like drill day? Practice day?
Mr. Drooly.
He's a good teacher, isn't he?
No.
I think he is.
Well, he's not the best, Sugar, honestly. I don't even know why I have to stand for recess no more. Like, why do I have to stand for recess? It makes no sense. I didn't do anything. I'm gonna go offer him a piece of pizza. So, Sugar, you can have my piece. Okay. Back at the classroom. Mr. Drooly.
What is it now?
I wanted to offer you a piece of pizza. It's really good.
No, hon! I'm not talking to... Oh, shoot. Really, Apricot? Now she's probably gonna divorce me.
Sorry. Didn't know you were on the phone. Call her back. Give her roses tonight. Take her out for dinner. You know?
Don't get involved in my wife, in my
Kiss
marriage
her
issues.
a lot.
Okay, you will leave. You're getting detention after school.
What?
Yeah. That's not appropriate for school.
Guys,
Bye.
I have detention. Can you believe this? Detention. And it's because he has marriage problems. Look at this. Marriage problems. Show her, boss.
Oh, yeah.
Marriage problems. He has marriage problems. Like, come on. Why do I need detention for that? Pretend it's an hour later and it's the end of the day.
1 hour later.
1 hour later, finally.
Okay. We are back in class, and we only have 2 more subjects to go, kids. How do you feel? Well, too bad. So sad, because it's Friday, and after this, you're getting 3 week break. No, it's 4. That's it. Okay. You are now all getting Fs. What? Yeah, for talking out. Oh, don't worry. I'm going to lie to the school system. So I don't get fired.
There's only about getting fired, Mr. Joy? Wow. I mean... And you thought Sam's outbreaks were weird.
Missy, that's enough from you.
Call my mom. I don't care. Seriously, I don't.
You want your mommy? Oh, of course you do, honey.
Oh, you think it's just 'cause I'm a bunny with a fluffy, tiny little tail, and you think I can't handle myself? Well, once I beat up a dude in, a big fight on a bench.
I did not need to hear that. Oh, and you will now be going to therapy. Maybe you'll see your BF, your boyfriend Sam there.
He's not my boyfriend. He's some annoying jerky kid from
her grandpa. Actually, was her grandpa is. She's related to the superintendent.
Yes, I am, and I can always tell him. So, this is her lucky feather from her grandfather.
What's that feather?
It's my lucky feather.
Well, I'll take it away from you.
No! From my grandpa.
Then I'm calling the principal saying that you're misbehaving.
My grandpa's the superintendent.
No, you don't! Anyways, let's just get on to health. What was I talking about again? How you're an awesome teacher? Okay, thank you, Meatloaf, for reminding me. Anyways, so today in health, we will be talking about bad foods and good foods. Now, this is all the food. Now, class, what do you think milk is?
Good.
Good job. What do you think 3 slices of pizza is?
Bad.
Good, bad, good.
That's a coincidence. I ate 3 slices of pizza yesterday.
It is good. Oh, and Apricot, we do not need to hear any more of your fairy tales about your dad being in the Air Force.
But I wasn't even talking about him.
Yeah. You can be quiet about your dad now.
But
Don't cry, honey. Are you scared I'm gonna write you up?
no, but I can always talk to my grandpa about it.
Your grandpa's an old twit.
Well, I'm seeing him tonight.
Oh my God, I can't remember if I've seen it. If I have, I just don't remember.